Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of Creative with Miss Me, and today guys I'm coming to you with a new product review. Now this one's from an Amazon based company. They contacted me and they asked me if I would review their product. So if you're interested in seeing what this product is, stick around. Now guys, the product that I'm reviewing is from a company called Amorno. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Amorno. Now it is some earbuds, some wireless earbuds. And they come in this gold tone and they come in black. Now I have been, well, first of all, when they come in the box, they come with a charge station like this one. Now, it comes with a cord to attach here at the back, USB port to charge the earbuds. Now, I like them. I've been wearing them now, trying them out now for about a week and a half to see how they work in my home. Now, my home it's like it's cut up in dead zones. So, certain parts of the house, you can't talk on the phone. It'll gravel up your conversation. So with these earbuds, now guys, you can program them, both of them together. You can wear one at a time or you can wear both. It's up to you. Now I've tried it both ways, wearing the left one by itself, then wearing the right one, and then wearing both of them. I've tried them both ways. And they have different little attachments for the ear sockets here. They have different sizes inside for you to adjust to fit your ear. Now they're very easy and simple to put on. Here, they fit real nice. The sound quality is wonderful. It also cuts out background noises as well. I really enjoy trying these and using these. I've been looking for the perfect earbuds because the ones I've had before, they left with like a little staticky sound in the background, and I wanted my conversations to be clear. And especially with this home we're in now, with the dead zones, I needed something to work with me as I clean the home and talk to people on the phone. So guys, again, the company is an Amazon-based company. I'll include the price up above of the earbuds and a link down below to the company. The company, the object is called the Amorno earbuds, wireless earbuds. So guys, I will link their information down below, as I said, so you can contact them and look at the other products. But I'm really enjoying this earbuds. So guys, if you enjoy my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. If you're not a member of the Creative with Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed down below as well as in the description box. And as always guys, this is Stephanie from Creative with Miss Me saying thank you guys for watching, and you guys be blessed.